Hello kids, let's do chapter 1 of English, Good Morning. This is a poem. So, let's read the poem. Good morning sky, good morning sun, good morning little winds that run. Good morning birds, good morning trees, and creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was a day? Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake, I am up now too. I'll be right out to play with you. Kids, in this poem we have learned new words: creeping, awake, gone away. Let's do its question and answers. Question 1. Why is the child in the poem happy? Answer is, the child in the poem is happy because she likes the morning sky, sun, birds and trees. Next question. To whom does the child say good morning? Answer is, the child said good morning to the sky, the sun, birds and trees. Next question. What does the child want to do? Answer is, the child wants to play. So next we will do rhyming words. Word building. Find words in the poem which rhyme with bees, day and to. So kids, rhyming words are those which sound same with the another word. Let's find out the rhyming word of bees from the poem. So it is trees. The rhyming word of bees is trees. So next is rhyming word of the day is away. Next is to. So rhyming word of the to is you. Let's take another question. So next question is, what do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the two boxes given below and color the picture. So kids, there are two boxes given below, one for the day and one for the night. So you have to draw the things which you see in the day, and in another box, draw a picture which you see at night. So in the day, we see sun, bees, birds, clouds. At night, you can write moon, stars and bats. So here we completed this chapter with its question and answers. Hope you understand it well. So I will meet you now in my next video with the new chapter. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.